nice sunny day. Today I'm going to paint my wheels, and I'm gonna do it in a pretty cheap way because I don't plan on keeping these wheels. It's just something to do while I'm working on the suspension, because the wheels I'm gonna get are gonna be pretty expensive, probably like $700 for a wheel. So right now I just definitely need to focus on getting the suspension back together, and then come back and do the wheels and brakes. So, all right. So far I washed these down with the power washer, and now I'm sanding it down. So I'm down to this wheel, just sanding it down. Okay, so I have wiped it down, and I'm using the little note card or index card method to make sure I don't get it on my wheels or my tires. I don't know, I feel like tape is pretty much just as fast and easy to do, so I don't know, you try. I'll deal with this and see how it goes. So this is what I'm using. Paint and primer, flat black, to first coat it, and then I have some eye gloss from Rustoleum. I got 3 cans, so we'll see if that's enough. I'll let you guys know if it's enough. I thought I had got one more of these, but maybe not. I don't know. I'll have to check. Now, I'm not a painter by any means, but you know, I just figure it's not, you know, rocket science. To be honest, I'm not really liking the note card thing, but I don't know. Maybe it helps it from me going on the outside when I spray like that, so it doesn't go out this way. So, like the tape, it would stop me, but it would go out this way if I missed. So, I don't know, I guess that's a plus. But yeah, like I said, I'm not no painter by any means. It looks kind of good. Man, for flat black, this is actually kind of glossy. Alright. I'm going to let this one dry, then come back with the high gloss. I'm going to start on the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then come back to this with the high gloss, and then do it again. Yep, let's go. Alright, so I got the flat black on there. Now I'm going to come back on with the glossy paint. Now, if these were expensive wheels, I would probably get this professionally done. But these wheels are nothing, you know. I just need them to look better than what they do, so I don't look like I'm clapped out. So, yeah, the flat black already looks kind of alright. I don't know. We'll see after it's done. Alright, so I got the first coat. I'm gonna coat them some more, but this is the glossy paint. So yeah, they're a little shiny now. I think it'll look better when it dries, so it doesn't look so wet. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry for today, and then I'm gonna flip them around and do the inside. Like I said, I'm not a painter or anything, but you know, I just want them to look better than what they did. Alright, so it's the next day. They're dried up. Not the best job in the world, but I probably could have sanded them down better. So, depending on how good you sand them down, and not to mention I have dog fur flowing around, and it looks like dog fur was getting on it as the wind kept blowing. So, yeah, as you sand it down, that's gonna, and clean and sand it down, the better it's gonna be. Of course, I didn't really care much, so it's up to you how good you want it to come out. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick job on the inside. Probably don't even really need to because it's not really noticeable, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. Alright, so this is the final job on these things. Like I said, you know, didn't really care too much about quality. If you do, just make sure you clean them really good and you sand it down really good. That'll help the paint stick, and that'll help you have a better finish. Me, I was very quick about it, as you guys saw in the video, because these are just temporary, and I just wanted them to look better than what they were, because I don't know, they were looking pretty awful, and I'd rather, you know, just wear these a little bit longer until I get the suspension done, get some seat time on the track, and then whenever I'm ready to, you know, do the wheels, I won't be in a hurry. You know, whenever I'm ready to do the wheels, I'll go ahead and swap the wheels out. So that's going to be the video right there. I have my friends asking me, well, if you make so amount of a year, why are you having to spray paint your wheels? I'm like, well, because I'm pretty much revamping my entire suspension right now, which that's the video that's going to be coming out soon too. I could care less about wheels at this moment. And besides, the wheels I want are like $700 a pop. What people ride around on RPF ones, what it was like $300 a wheel. So I don't think that's much better than what these would be. So, you know, to me, it's not a big deal. Suspension and getting myself on the track is a big deal. So as long as they just look decent, like to the average person who doesn't know what wheels brands are and stuff like that, they're gonna be like, you know, I already get compliments. So yeah. All right. Peace out.